Alright, you guys probably know me. I'm with Zach Meyer. Me and him have a show now. It's called WKIK, Whitest Kids I Know. Now, my assistant Zach, you probably know us. We go to Elson High School, 5th grade, and we're awesome. To say, Chris is gay. You guys probably know that. He's a jerk. Trying to steal beer from other fridges. Well, we'll be doing stupid stuff, like really stupid. I mean, we're going to be jumping off stuff, probably breaking legs. Well, this is an interview, that's why I look so good, so we're going to be wearing stupid crap, like ugly, stupid stuff that makes us look like hobos. So, this is an interview, and I'd like to welcome you to WKIK. Lick my...